Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back.
Šobrīd atrodamies svaru zālē, mūsu bāzē. Tad, principā, šeit puiši nāk pirms uzdevumiem vai arī pēc uzdevumiem atbraucot, pirms iet gulēt, atnāk notrenējās un tad tikai iet atpūsties pirms nākošā uzdevuma. Nu, katram sava rutīna un nevienu baigi nepiespiež nāk kaut kādā konkrētā laikā. Ja vien nav tiešām brīvdienas kaut kādas un tad vada sastāvā nāk un sporto. Šodien gatavosimies sacensībām, uz kurām mūs uzaicināja poļu kolēģi. Tad, principā, iesim visam vingrinājumu kompleksam cauri, kaut kas līdzīgs crossfit sacensībām. Tad tāds uz augstas intensitātes bāzes ar bruņu vestēm. Līdz ar to pašiem nav zināms īsti, kā ķermenis reaģēs uz to, bet izmēģināsim, lai būtu gatavi sestdienai.
Please don't play no games with me, I promise I'm too much. Ay, I can never let up even if you had enough. Ay, this ain't for the faint of heart, we always playing rough. I had enough, it ain't luck. I needed a vision, I needed ambition, I needed a mission to be the submission with no intermission. I see the collision, the crash in the distance, ain't coming off track, no. Now when they ask what's the motive, don't talk like the show. They all about to see what I mean in the moment. I gotta keep going, I'm shaking the dice and I'm keeping it rolling, they already know. Ain't got no other plans, you don't need to understand. Ay, we all know.
Nu viss, principā, kā runājām sākumā. Mierīgi iziesim cauri visiem vingrinājumiem zemā intensitātē, lai nenogurtu pirms sacensībām.
Yeah, but you bringing me back. Try to double cross me, dog. Just let me relax.